This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos, videos, and files from your Android phone to one of these pen drives. So this pen drive is actually nice because on the back of it, if I take off this cap, I do have a USB-C connection. Now, if you don't have one that has USB-C, just has regular USB, you're going to need one of these OTG adapters or an adapter from, it's just USB to USB-C, plug it in. These are relatively cheap. You can buy them offline for like $3 or $4 and then plug it into where your phone charges, just like this. And then you want to swipe up from the bottom and go to Files. And go to Files or My Files, doesn't matter. And then you can see your USB storage. Now, if your USB storage device does not appear on your phone, that's because it's probably formatted to the wrong format, and you're going to need to do this on computer. Switch it from NTFS to EXFAT or FAT32, depending on the size of your device. And then it should be recognized by your phone. And then we can go to images or videos or files on top, and we can hold down on an image. We can go to all right here on the top. And then we can go to copy or move. So if I hit copy, I can go over to my USB storage device. I can go to the plus icon to create a new folder if I want, or I can just go to an existing folder and go to copy here. And I can replace that one. And then I can go back to the storage device and I can see my image I just transferred over. And this looks like a QR code for something, I'm not sure what it is. And then you should be good to go. You can disconnect this pen drive now and you can bring it to pretty much any location, your computer, your TV, or another phone or tablet. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.